display with a 144Hz refresh rate is vibrant and smooth. Watching videos or gaming, it looks fantastic. On the camera front, it's got a 64MP main sensor, 50MP ultra-wide and 5x optical zoom. Daylight shots are sharp and clear, and zooming in delivers great quality. Performance is smooth, thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite and up to 16GB of RAM. Gaming and multitasking? No sweat. Battery life is solid with a 6150 mAh battery, and 80W fast charging gets you back to 100% in about 35 minutes. Overall, the Z70 Ultra offers flagship features at a great price. If you're looking for a premium phone without the flagship price, this is definitely one to consider.